It's been snowing since I woke up at 7 a.m. My sister was supposed to fly to England today. There's a snowstorm happening. So of course she's not flying. They're gonna go pick her up from the airport now. I haven't seen a lot of snow in ages. Like the last time that I saw proper snow falling from the sky was in March in England. So if you know anything about English snow, is that it's not real snow, right? There's barely any, it melts super quick. This is the real deal. I'm so happy. It was literally 15 degrees Celsius yesterday and it's -4 right now. Good news, it's very pretty. Bad news, we're stuck in the snow. We're on the road in front of my house and we're stuck. It's so sad, it's funny. My neighbor, bless him, he's scooping the snow right in front of us. And my dad just went back in to get another shovel. We're out of the snow. It's only been snowing for like 4 hours. And the forecast is saying that there's gonna be snow for the next 2 days. I am out. I'm going to find my sister. I'm literally the happiest child in the whole world. I was supposed to fly 3 hours ago and I was stuck in the airport until now. First of all, I don't have school tomorrow. The only thing that I actually wanted this break was to have loads and loads of snow. My dream came true. I don't think you guys see this. It all went to my bag. Our sled. Now it's clean.
This is princess treatment I'm getting. This is the best day of my life.
Because our sled is super old, it's a bit soft. So that's why we're here at the air pump to pump it with air. Fully covered. Bro, what's she doing? Oh my. Where do all the birds go when it's snowing?
No, my feet! Yeah. Very good and cold. And white.
This is where I used to go sledding with my sister and my cousin when we were very young. It's the best spot. Okay, we're gonna go down this hill. I can't hear! Scusi! Non mi sono sentito. We're going backwards! What's me? Oh my god. Oh my god! Okay, that was a bit unfortunate. I don't know if you guys saw that, but this kid's sled was right in our way and I took his sled and I moved it to the side. I'm going to apologize. Oh, dat normaal? Scusami, ti rog. No. Bro! Bro, I almost hit my back on that pole over there.
Everything was in control.
New run. Manduk spaghetti.
That was epic!
I can't believe I did not film that. My camera froze, but that was so epic.
We literally did a 360. We fell face straight on into the snow.
Do you remember how we said that was our last run? Like, we lied. Guys, I saw birds. Oh my god. The bird mystery continues. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see this. Oh my god. Shut up. That was the highlight of my entire life. Living the life. Woo! Trigger warning before I show you this.
You put already Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka.
Guys, after I ate, I took the fattest nap. I wanted to come on here and express my gratitude for the weather outside, but also to you for watching this video to the end. If you enjoyed, feel free to leave this video a like, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you want to see more of this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Sending you lots and lots of love, and hope to see you next time.